Hi, and welcome back to Botanic Designs. I've been a month in the Netherlands and I've just come back. I took with me a box with a few cuttings and also seedlings of the ostrich fern. I hope that the ostrich fern will survive over here where I live, because I live in zone 10-11. And also the hydrangea might be very difficult, but we're gonna give it a try. I have some cuttings from the hydrangea, and I have over here also cuttings from a rose. I took those cuttings and seedlings in a box, a sealed box, put some humid paper towel around the roots and around the cuttings. So what we are going to do, first of all, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make the cuttings from the hydrangea. I'm going to take them out very, very slowly. As you can see, you might see I have two cuttings, and I think I might make even 4 cuttings from these, and we're going to give it a try. These are the cuttings. The leaves are very strong, and now I'm going to give it a try in making the cuttings. And what do we need for that? If you like this video, please don't forget to press like, subscribe, and to press the bell in order to get an update every time I upload a new video. Okay, so what do we need? We need, of course, the cuttings. We need some pots. We need a pruner, and we need perlite. And of course, for in the end, I like to put them in a closed box where the humidity will go up and keep them well. Before we start, I also like to use alcohol because I want to sterilize my pruner, and sometimes also the cups. So I've cleaned it, put it over here. You can see I sprayed 70% alcohol on it. Now it should be clean. I also like to spray a little bit on my hand, on my hands. So now everything should be sterile. Another thing that you can do is just spray a little bit around the little pots. And as I told you, we are going to make cuttings from the hydrangea and afterwards from the roses. As we can see, I'm not going to cut this bottom part. So I have 1, 2, and then 3. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. If I'm going to, this second one, I'm going to cut over here, and then I'm going to take off these leaves, and I think that's it for this one. And this one, I'm going to give it a try by making a short cutting over here and a little bit a longer one. Also taking off these leaves, and then I cut these away, half, and also over here and over here. This will reduce the amount of humidity it will lose, and they will still have a possibility to make photosynthesis. I'm still dabbling what I'm going to do with this one. You know what? I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to cut off the top part, taking off also these, cutting these in half. So I have 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to give this one a try. You will never know. It's hard for me to throw it away. Before we fill up the pot with perlite, you can see there are big holes, so I like to put in some toilet paper to cover the bottom, and this way the perlite will not go out. And here you can see I filled up the pot with perlite. I also took with me some rooting powder, also from the Netherlands. The other one was a little bit old, so this is a new one. So now I will put it in the rooting hormone and take off most of it and put it in the pot with the perlite. And this is what we get. Now I'll do the second one, exactly the same. Put it in the rooting hormone, take off most of it and put it in perlite. Once I've done that, I will put them in the box. I'll put them over here in the box, and once I close the box, the humidity will go up. I will put some water in it, of course, and then the humidity will go up. Now, I already told you that I have other cuttings, and that's the cuttings from some roses. I've decided what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this one as it is. And I hope the best of it. Normally spoken, I take some smaller cuttings, but because I had to travel, okay, so again, some perlite, and now I take the cutting. I don't need all of the leaves. This is approximately what I want to keep. Now I'm going to take again the rooting hormone, place it in here, take off most of it, and put it in the perlite and place it in the same box as the hydrangea. It's no problem, should be working. As you can see, 2 pots with hydrangeas, 2 pots with roses, and I'm going to put some water on the perlite so it's wet, and on the bottom, because I want the humidity to go up once I place the lid. And that's it. That's enough. Now I take the lid and place it on it, and now I put it in a light spot and wait till the roots will come out, and I will give you an update on that one.